Grüß Gott.
Servus, grüß dich. Do I share the correct screen? Oh, okay. All right, we're 2 minutes past 15:30, so I would say let's get started. Yeah, welcome to this week's installment of the Keptn community meeting. Hope everyone is doing extremely well. Giovanni is not here today, so I will take over this the moderation of this week's meeting. It's actually going to be quite a short one, so we from our side would just give you all a quick overview of what we're currently working on. Yeah, so basically last week, what happened there was that we released the version 07.1, which includes the new automatic app discovery feature. And yeah, of course, feel free to try out this release, and we are, of course, welcoming any feedback and suggestions you might have on this one, and looking forward to your feedback. And what we are currently working on is, because at KubeCon especially, we got the feedback that having our functions runtime that supports Dino JavaScript scripts is already a nice thing, but what the community would really like to see implemented is the support for, first of all, Python scripts to be executed as part of a Keptn application deployment, or even to go one step further and to support the execution of basically arbitrary containers. So we are currently working on researching the possibilities we have there, and hopefully we will be able to provide you with more details and our insights that came out of those research issues. Yeah, so from my side, that would already be it. Are there any questions from the community that you would like to discuss, or do you have any suggestions for topics that we should work on? All right, if not, we can call it a very, very quick community meeting. And if there are no further questions, I think we can call it a day for today. Then thank you everybody for joining, and see you in the next installment of this meeting.
Thank you very much. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.